The people that are part of this brand, our franchisees, our corporate team members. I may be a little biased, but I think we have the best.
My name is Kevin Reichel. I came on to Restoration One in April of 2024. So the systems that we use and processes are pretty complex in the sense of you have docu-sketches and you have project management systems and everything, but when you go through our trainings, we put all that together. It may seem hard, but after you go through a week of training on each section, it's very, very simple.
My name is Melissa Hastings, and I'm the Director of Training for Restoration One. So at Restoration One, our training journey is built out to be very intentional. When you come into R1 University as a new owner, you get a team of support people that are dedicated to your owner journey. And it's kind of like having a concierge at Restoration One. That way you've got someone there at the end of the phone to always answer questions and help you through whatever it is that you need support with.
The support we've received from Restoration One is fantastic. Our field consultants are detailed, organized. They check in with you monthly, see what you need, see how your business is going, just to see how you're holding up and checking in to see what they can do for you.
Restoration One is for franchisees to be successful, to be entrepreneurs. The way the system works, the way we give back to the community, the way we want to help folks, that's what people want. And we give you the autonomy to run your company the way you would like to run it.